Hey everyone, welcome back to another live trading series. Short video today. I only have a few trades planned. I'm going to do another one of my risky plays. I always feel uneasy doing this, but I'm going to be playing Tesla. I've decided to start selling one cash secured put on Tesla. Let's go through how I do it. So I'm going to be doing around 60 days to expiration. I think it's around 55. So Tesla moves too much within 20 to 40 days for me to feel comfortable choosing a cash secured put. I want to sell theta. I don't have to worry about gamma too much. So I'm on Tesla. It's around $412 right now. I'll be choosing the December 18th expiration. Right now it's October 23rd. So, and I want to choose around the 25 delta. So 25 delta, let's see what it would give us if we go, sorry, this takes a while. 25 delta. There's a lot here. Would be around $330. As you can see, there's a couple I can choose. 25 delta. I don't want to choose 328 for some reason. I like just 330. So if I go 411 around, so this would be a 20% drop from what it's at right now. So within 58 days, 55 days, Tesla would have to drop 20% for this to be tested pretty much, and I am comfortable with this. So obviously what you do, click on it, press buy sell. I already have it loaded up. So Tesla one put at 330 strike for December 18th. I will choose 1040, I guess. This is fine. Let's see, 1020. I just want to get this filled. I'll choose 1025. So sell to open one Tesla December 18th. This is nerve-wracking. $1,000 US. Let's see if it gets filled. Obviously it gets filled right away. I do want to see what it looks like here. 56 days to expiration. Not bad. I do get nervous playing Tesla. I do have it. Initially I was thinking the 25 delta would be $350. That's why I have it loaded up here. So I'll go 330, 56 days. Oh, what did I even do? 1020. So there we go. I think I made 1,025, but I think that's all I had planned for today. I do want to show you some things I might play around with. So I sold these. Let's just focus here. I sold these 30 puts last week, and already it's almost 50%, and there's still 28 days left. So I'm gonna try to close these out. I have within 25. With 25% of the time I had sold it, I'm making 50% of the income. Let me just try to get these called away. Try to get these closed out. So I'll probably be making at least $1,100. So 30 contracts. I'm going to try to close these out. What would someone pay for them? Obviously choose the midpoint. Buy to close 30. So I think I made $2,600 off it initially. I'll try to close it out for $1,300. We'll do that right now. That won't get filled right away. I want to show you a few things. So AMD has their earnings in 4 days. Sorry, that's a train. AMD has their earnings in 4 days. This is my strangle. I made like around 75% on this one, 50%. But I have a feeling no matter what happens in their earnings, the premiums will go down. There's something called IV crush. So I bought it around the 62% IV. It's around 75 right now. Right now, if I closed it out, I make $616. $660. I'm going to wait until next week to film it to show you guys. I do think no matter what happens up or down, I'll be able to close this out for more than $1660. So I hope I'm not wrong on that one. Let me show you something that that's kind of irking me. Take a look at Twitter. They have earnings on the 29th, 6 days away. If I close now, I'm losing $3,000, $3,100. Man, like Twitter's hovering around the $50, and obviously these are where my naked calls are at. I am pretty nervous about this. I'm going to wait, not the smartest, I'm going to wait until earnings to see what happens. And, on the 30th, before I get assigned, I might just buy 5,000 shares if that's, or the 1,000 shares if that happens. But I do have the cash to do it. I won't be in a margin position. I am just kind of worried. I'm unhappy at how this played out. I thought I called the top for Twitter at around $50 and $53. But, you know, for this one, November 20th, I have 28 days. So not too worried about this. But I'm very worried about 7 days because, you know, once this gets in the money, I can get assigned almost at any time. So I am cognizant of that. I don't want to close at a $1,800 loss. Once their earnings come out, regardless of what happens, I can probably close this out a little less. I will manage it then. I probably should have managed it earlier, but that was my mistake. You know, I don't always make good decisions on this channel, as you can see, but I'm pretty happy overall with every other trade minus Twitter. You can see Fastly, FSLY. This was, you know, such great timing. I think I'm not going to close this one out. I think it'll expire worthless. November 6th. I don't think Fastly will increase by 60% in 14 days for this to get called. So I'm feeling pretty good. Don't really care too much about this one, the 70 put. It might get assigned, might not. I do feel comfortable holding at 70. If not, I can roll it out, but feeling pretty good about Fastly. I think that's all I have for today. Nothing interesting going on. Yeah, I think I'll tune in next week to show you some of these earnings plays I'm doing. Hopefully I can make more money than I currently am on AMD. Thanks, guys.